All right, good day, everyone. I just want to show you how to make a quick salad. We call it African salad. This is the main dish, the base of the salad, and this is made out of cassava. This is shredded cassava, or you can call it spaghetti cassava, but it's not as long as spaghetti. It's shredded cassava, and it is dried. It is made out of boiling cassava, grating it, and washing it out, soaking it, and then drying it. But now I soaked it back in the water and drained it out again. So it is soft. Look at it. Look at what it looks like now. This is the base. This is the starch, but it's gluten-free anyway. So I sauteed some veggies as usual. If you notice here, instead of blending my turmeric and my ginger, I kind of stir-fried it with my garlic in the beginning while I spiced it up. The oil, I use coconut oil. I sauteed it just lightly, not all the way, and I added bay leaf in it too. So you can see like scallions, you can see red pepper, basil. What else do I have there? I think I have basil and I have parsley. Yeah, onions, red onions, and I added some cranberries. I love cranberries in salads. Then to add to it, let me add it and let's start going now. It's going to be a quick, nice salad. Usually the traditional way of making it is using palm oil, but I use coconut oil and olive oil in this case. You're allowed to change anything as long as it has nutrients in your body, or it's going to give nutrients to your body. All right, so now we want to add some protein to it because it's a meatless salad. I'm adding my black peas as well. Remember my tiny black cow peas, which I call akidi, from the eastern part of Nigeria. Then I want to add some live food to it. You have to add, this is the indigenous food. Remember that when the food travels, I have cassava traveled all the way from Igbo indigenous people, and that's our food. And then the akidi is also added to it. You can get all these from African market, very easy. You can order online too. Then I added the sauteed spices and herbs. Now I'm going to add, right here you see pepper, capsicum pepper, great for circulation. And if you're having stomach problem, actually just great for circulation. Just take it that way. Is awesome. You can Google capsicum pepper. It has 440 heat. If you understand what I mean, that is hot. Really, really pepperish. It's hot. Google and see Nigerian capsicum is the best. And I have this tiny little bit of African nutmeg that is ground. Have Himalayan salt, celery is going to be my live food, and cucumber and apples to give a little sweetness to it, and tangy and sweet and sour and all the senses of taste I like to do. So the salad is going to be ready in just a little time. That's it, folks. Then you turn it around. I don't add no more salad dressing to it. Just salt and pepper. This is like a side dish, actually. You can eat it by itself, or you can make it like a side dish. If you want to add salad dressing to it, it's up to you. I will recommend vinaigrette, a little bit of vinaigrette. This tastes awesome. And this is another way of making it. For those of you who are running away from palm oil, this is a great way of having your Abacha salad or shredded juka salad. Amen.